Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homework Models and Tri-Light Builders, back with Coffee and Construction, episode 20. We have some wonderful progress from yesterday's video, so I'd like to share with you all that we're getting accomplished today. Oh, I took a different vantage point on you. We have our framing crew back out to finish the siding on the front of the structure today. It's gonna look like a house. That's so exciting. And then on the inside, I'll walk you in here carefully as I maneuver through our work site. I'm going to show you just a little bit of a close-up on the dried insulation. Oh, that looks so cool. So drywall was delivered, so they'll be starting on that tomorrow. But we put our insulation. This is where our mini split and mini split air conditioner heater unit's gonna go. So that's why there's a little cavity there. But that's a little up close and personal with some spray foam insulation on the inside of the structure. And today I can tell you that inside the structure is a solid 20 degrees cooler than outside. It is warm outside, especially in the sunshine. Yesterday in here, or actually a couple of days ago in here, this was hot and felt humid and and today there's definitely a difference in this space. So you can see all the foam insulation in the ceiling, around our electrical wires, and all the ductwork that was up there for the vent unit in the bathroom. Oh, so exciting. Friends, thank you so much for joining us again today. We are so grateful you're on this journey with us for Coffee and Construction, episode 20. This is Sheila with Homework Models and Tri-Light Builders. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.